Hello guys, welcome to Tonic YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how to do online work in Pakistan without any investment. Number 9. Google AdSense. There are many methods to earn online without any investment. Google AdSense is an excellent option if you want to earn money and make a stable income. In Google AdSense work, you have to research, create quality content and then create an AdSense account. You can monetize your website by displaying ads and other content. When people view your ads, you can make money on each click and view. For this work, you first have to generate organic traffic to your website. With this Google AdSense, you can easily make money online in Pakistan without any investment. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the type of marketing in which an affiliate earns commission by marketing another person's brands or products through various techniques. If you are looking for online work at home in Pakistan, then you can start affiliate marketing. If you have a blog with a lot of traffic, you can enter the affiliate program and earn money through this. Amazon, Alibaba, etc. are the websites that can help you with affiliate marketing. You can join an affiliate partnership program with these websites and earn money. Any national and international websites will offer you the affiliation partnership. Amazon Eyeglasses, pkgoto.com, pk Telemart, pk Webxpk, Alibaba, ebay.com. Number 7. Web development. Web development is another job of online work in Pakistan without any investment. Many universities are offering courses like HTML, CSS and PHP for students. These languages are necessary if you want to build websites. Students are taking an interest in these types of courses as well. Any students are working online as a freelance web developer along with their studies. If you also want to be a web developer, you can start by enrolling in one of the courses. In these courses, you will learn how to build a website with different programming languages from scratch. You learn different tools and skills in these courses. If you don't want to learn technical languages skills, you can learn WordPress. WordPress is used to build websites easily without knowing programming languages. You can also get work from different online earning websites. There are thousands of businesses and brands waiting to build their websites. Web development is also a well-paid job. Number 6. App development. Due to advancements in technology, the app is an important part of any business or product. With the help of apps, you can provide services all across the globe. App designing is one of the highest paid jobs in the world. This job requires experience in designing and developing apps of different kinds. Apps are the best way to improve and increase the reach of the brand. If you have experience in app designing, then you can get a job easily in multinational companies in Pakistan. If you have a creative and helpful app idea, then implement this and upload your app to the Google Play Store. If your apps are hit like Snapchat, then you can earn millions. All you need is the skill and an idea to implement. You can also earn money by app designing through AdMob. Number 5. Content writing. Content writing is another job that you can do online at home in Pakistan without any investment. If you are looking for an online job and have good English writing skills, you can apply for such jobs. Content writing has many sub-niches like story writing, blog and article writing, product reviews, academic writing, etc. You can select any type and start applying for such jobs. You can start looking for content writing jobs on Facebook and different online earning websites. For content writing, you have the skills to write in flow and produce an engaging piece. You can either work as a freelance writer or work with a company or agency every month. Number 4. Graphic designing. Graphic designing is the best way to earn money by sitting at home without any investment. For this work, you need skills in graphic design. Graphic designers are earning thousands of dollars by their skills. If you want to become a designer, you can take a course and learn skills. It is a well-paid job with a lot of demand. You can get clients from Facebook, LinkedIn, or from earning websites like Fiverr. Before applying for a graphic designer position, make a portfolio and advertise it on different social media platforms. Graphic designing is not an easy skill. It would help if you had an eye for creativity. It takes a lot of practice to become an expert in designing logos, brochures, pamphlets and posters. But once you master your skill, you can get hired by multinational companies. You can start your own graphic designing company and start your online business without any investment. Number 3. YouTube. Everybody in Pakistan knows what YouTube is. We use it for different purposes, but do you know that you can earn money on this platform? If you want to make money without any investment and technical skill, you should go for YouTube. Many people are earning money by making their channels or providing different YouTube services. You can make your channel on YouTube and post videos on a different or specific topic. You can also provide different services like making thumbnails, doing SEO and uploading videos for someone. Start your YouTube channel, upload optimized content regularly and monetize your channel. It takes time to gain subscribers for your channel, but you can also start brand collaboration once your channel gets popular. Number 2. Social media marketing. In today's world, everybody is well aware of what social media is. Social media connects millions of people from different parts of the world on the same platform. With social media's help, you can easily convey your message or advertise your business by sitting at home. If you are on different social media platforms and looking for some job opportunity, you can do online work at home as a social media marketing expert. Social media marketing is the type of digital marketing to advertise your brand or business. You can also open your marketing agency with experience. You can also join an earning site, get hired as a media marketing expert, and earn money without any investment. These types of jobs can easily be found in the category of entry-level IT jobs on different job websites. Number 2. Blogging. One of the best ways to earn online from home is through blogging. If you have an interest in writing, then you can start your blog from home. You can select the niche of the blog by yourself and start writing. You can choose from many options like news blog, product reviews, fashion blog, health blog or celebrity blog. You can post blogs, videos, photos and guides related to the topic of the blog. You can post the latest trend in the field and keep your readers engaged. The key to a perfect blog is to post and update content regularly. You have to write content that is engaging, error-free and with a lot of information. Before starting a blog, you have to do a complete research of trending topics and focused keywords. Don't copy content from other websites. Make your unique content to gain traffic for your website. Number 1. Data entry. If you are looking for online work at home, then you can easily find data entry jobs. Data entry jobs are easy to do, as they only require a basic understanding of the office. In Pakistan, many students are earning through different typing and data entry jobs. If you are looking for data entry jobs, visit legit websites. There are so many websites that offer you fake jobs and ask for money upon registration. Data entry is one of the skills in demand, and many companies are hiring individuals with good typing speeds